Hello students, today we are going to start with the topic division of fractions. For studying the division of fractions, we have taken one example here of the textbook. In the previous lecture what we studied, multiplication of fractions and how to multiply two fractions. We have seen numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. And reciprocal of a fraction means its inverse. Okay, जो ऊपर है वो नीचे आ जाएगा, मीन्स न्यूमरेटर विल बिकम डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर विल बिकम न्यूमरेटर. एंड रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ अ whole number is 1 upon that number. Now we are going to start with division with an example. See what is the example. Here is one bhakri. If each one is to be given a quarter of it, how many will get a share? One bhakri is there and every person in the house is going to get a quarter part of that bhakri. Quarter part means what? 1 upon 4. Means first divide the bhakri into 4 parts because denominator is 4. And out of that 4, one part is called as quarter. And this one part will be given to one person. So how many people will get a share in that bhakri? So by observing the figure, what we can see? One bhakri is divided into 4 parts and one part is called quarter. तो ये quarter one person को मिलेगा. This quarter will be given to one person, this quarter to one person and this quarter to one person. Means how many people will get this bhakri? 4 people will get the share in this bhakri. Now if we want to write this in the form of multiplication, how we can write? 4 quarters, okay, because 4 people we got the answer. So one person, 1 quarter. So 4 person means 4 into 1 upon 4. Answer is 1 भाकरी. 4 लोग अगर क्वार्टर पार्ट खाएंगे मतलब वो भाकरी कितनी थी? 1. अब इसी को हम उल्टा बोलेंगे और डिवीजन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 1 भाकरी is divided into quarter parts. So how many people will get? 4. 1 भाकरी डिवाइडेड बाय क्वार्टर पार्ट्स. 1 भाकरी के कैसे पार्ट्स करने हैं हमें? क्वार्टर 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 क्वार्टर. क्वार्टर क्वार्टर में उसको डिवाइड करना है. तो कितने पार्ट्स बनेंगे? 4. Now how we got this answer 4 in the division? By looking at the picture. But every time we cannot draw such picture and we cannot find the answer. So हम इसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं 1 divided by 1 upon 4. It can be written as 1 into 4 upon 1. क्या किया हमने? 1 as it is we have written. Division we have converted into multiplication. And 1 upon 4 we have written as 4 upon 1. Means while doing division we cannot solve the division question directly. Okay, we can solve it by using pictures but we cannot draw the pictures all the time. So directly we cannot solve division. First we have to convert that division into multiplication. And for doing that, what we have to do? The first number we will write down as it is. Then division we will convert into multiplication. And we will take the reciprocal of the second number. दूसरा जो भी नंबर है उसका उल्टा करके मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाजू में लिखना. क्यों उसका उल्टा किया? क्योंकि हमने डिवीजन का भी तो उल्टा किया. व्हाट इज़ द इन्वर्स ऑफ डिवीजन? इट इज़ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो उसको उसके बाद जो नंबर है उसका भी हमने इन्वर्स ले लिया. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. देर आर 6 blocks of jaggery each of 1 kilogram. See, there are 6 blocks of jaggery. Jaggery means गुड़. तो 1 kg के 6 blocks है. There are 6 blocks of 1 kilogram each. If one family requires 1.5 kg every month, एक फैमिली को कितना लगता है 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg means what? 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3/2 part. मिक्स नंबर को अगर हम इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 3/2 पार्ट. तो एक फैमिली को कितना लगता है 3/2 पार्ट. So we have to find out for how many families will this block suffice. तो ये 6 ब्लॉक कितने फैमिली को सफिशिएंट रहेंगे. So if we draw the picture, we observe that इसका 1.5 पार्ट किया, इसका बचा हुआ हाफ और ये 1, इसका 1 और इसका हाफ किया, ये हाफ इधर एंड दिस 1.5. सो जब हमने 6 ब्लॉक्स के 1.5 1.5 1.5 1.5 पार्ट्स किए तो हमने देखा कि 4 पार्ट्स होते हैं. कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं 4. सो दिस पार्ट विल बी यूज्ड बाय वन फैमिली 1.5. दिस इज ऑल्सो 1.5. दिस विल बी यूज्ड बाय वन फैमिली. This 1.5 will be used by one family and this 1.5 will be used by one family. So total how many families can use this 6 kg jaggery? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this jaggery will be sufficient for 4 families. But how we got the answer 4? By drawing these pictures. So is it possible to draw these pictures all the time? No. So we will write this question in the form of division. 6 kg jaggeries के हमें कैसे पार्ट्स करने हैं 3/2 3/2 3/2 3/2 means we have to divide 6 by 3/2. Now 6 can be written as 6/1 divided by 3/2. But division we have to convert into multiplication. So first number as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of second number. Second number क्या है हमारा 3/2, उसका reciprocal 2/3. So 6/1 into 2/3. डिवीजन के क्वेश्चन को हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. Convert the division into multiplication. Now 6 into 2 12 and 3 into 1 3. So what we will get here 12/3 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore 6 blocks will suffice for 4 families. ये 4 आंसर कैसे आया डिवीजन करके? Not by looking at the picture but by converting division question into multiplication. So what we observe from these two examples, that division of fractions cannot be done directly. We have to convert it into multiplication. See this example. 5/7 divided by 2/3. First fraction write down as it is. Middle sign change into multiplication and the reciprocal of the second fraction. 2/3 का हो जाएगा 3/2. अब ये क्वेश्चन मल्टीप्लिकेशन का हो गया है. व्हाट इज द रूल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन? न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर इंटू डिनोमिनेटर, मीन्स 15/14. अब ये इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है इसलिए इसको प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट किया है. 1 and 1/14. So now I know to divide a number by a fraction means to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, डिवीजन करना मतलब ही उसके रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करना. So now we will start with practice set 13. Question number 1. Write the reciprocal of the following numbers. What is the reciprocal of 7? Reciprocal of whole number is 1 upon that number. Reciprocal of 11/3, 3/11. 5/13, 13/5. 2 reciprocal is 1/2. 6/7, 7/6. So this is the reciprocal. Now we have to carry out the division. So division करना means reciprocal से multiply करना. So first fraction write down as it is. Middle sign change into multiplication and reciprocal of the next one means 1 upon 4 reciprocal is 4 upon 1. Now this is a question of multiplication and we know how to solve multiplication. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3. So answer is 8 upon 3. Answer is 8 upon 3. Next one. 5 upon 9. So first fraction write down as it is. 5 upon 9 को 5 upon 9 ही लिखना है. Middle sign change it to multiplication. तो 3 upon 2 का हो जाएगा 2 upon 3. Now numerator into numerator. 5 into 2, 9 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 9 3s are 27. So 10 upon 27. Now the next one. 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 11. So first fraction write down as it is. Middle sign multiplication. Reciprocal of second number. पहला नंबर as it is. Middle sign change करना. डिवीजन का हो जाएगा multiplication. और second जो भी नंबर है उसका लिखना है reciprocal. Now 3 into 11 upon 7 into 5. 3 into 11 is 33. 7 into 5 is 35. So answer is 33 upon 35. And the last one. 11 upon 12 write down as it is. Division will be converted into multiplication. And 4 upon 7 will become 7 upon 4. Now 11 into 7. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 11 7s are 77, 12 4s are 48. So answer is 77 upon 48. Now the last word problem we are going to take. There were 420 students participating in the Swachh Bharat campaign. एक स्वच्छ भारत कैंपेन था, उसमें 420 स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्ट लिया. दे क्लीन्ड 42 upon 75 पार्ट ऑफ द टाउन सेवाग्राम. सेवाग्राम नाम की एक सिटी है, उसमें से उन्होंने 42 upon 75 पार्ट क्लीन कर दिया. कितने बच्चों ने मिलके? 420 बच्चों ने मिलके इस सिटी का 42 upon 75 पार्ट क्लीन किया. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? Okay, everyone did equal quantity of work. So we have to find out what part of the city did each student clean. 420 students ने कितना clean किया वो हमको पता है, तो हमें 1 student ने कितना clean किया वो निकालना है. So when the information about more is given and we have to find the information about 1, then at that time we have to perform division. So 42 upon 75 part ये cleaning का जो work है, it is shared by 420 children. Therefore work shared by each student. So 42 upon 75 divided by 420. Now 420 can be written as 420 upon 1. Now division, how to solve division? By converting it into multiplication. First fraction as it is, middle sign multiplication, reciprocal of the second fraction. इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? उल्टा 1 upon 420. Now numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Now 42 into 1 write down as it is. 420 can be written as 42 into 10. 420 means 42 into 10. So this 42 and 42 will get cancel. This answer will be 1. So now what is remaining? 1 upon 75 into 10 means 1 upon 750. तो एक बच्चे ने कितना एरिया क्लीन किया? 1 upon 750 part was cleaned by each student. Therefore 1 upon 750 part of Sevagram was cleaned by each student. Understood? So this problem set 13, practice set 13, you have to solve in your notebook all the 3 questions. Okay, and here we complete our lesson number 4, operations on fractions. We have studied all the operations on fractions: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, now in addition and subtraction, what is important? Denominator should be same. In multiplication, what is the rule? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. And division, what is the rule? Convert into multiplication and solve it in the form of multiplication. Understood? So here we complete the lesson. Thank you.